welcome back, Jems and Jems, to my channel. It's currently 7 o'clock. I'm tired, but I'm headed to Tiara's pop-up shop. I know it don't start till 11, but I don't want to be in the back of the line, so I said I'm gonna leave about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, this is the outfit. It's 39 degrees outside. I'll take this off once I get there. But yeah, I just wanted to make my intro. I'm like super tired. So, and I'm not really a morning person. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I am here and it's hella people already here. There's so many people already here, y'all. Like, let me turn the camera on. And there's people around the corner, you just can't see them. Yeah, so I'm just chilling in my chair. Okay, so it is almost, don't mind my edges, they look crazy. It is almost 10 o'clock, so I just took my bonnet off. The line is around the corner. She's like, hey, the line is around the corner. And I'm still not in the front. I'm like in the middle. But yeah, it's like one more hour. So I said, let me get myself decent, child. This sun is killing me. Let me get myself decent. But she got her cameras rolling and stuff already, so I'm just like, I did not keep getting caught bonnet. So I'll be back when Tiara is here. This is not even the whole line. It's like around the corner and some more stuff. Girl, I don't know what they got going on with this doohickey. But yeah, it's like down and around behind the hotel. Oh great, it's time to fold up the chairs. Yeah, they opened the front door. Oh, they opened the door? Oh, let me get it. We is in this line. It's starting to move. I'm with Godiva. Look, she done did her interviews. Yeah, get into it. With the dunks. Get into it. She made me so sick. This interview voice she put on. Right there in the front. Yes. Girl, look at him snapping. He is tearing that food up. I just want to get some good content. Yes. And she got some announcement. She said, I'm trying to figure out what this comes. What time is it? 11:26. 11:27, bitch, and we about to get in. Hey, we almost at the door. You see security? You're right, beside me. Hey. I'm excited now. Okay. Who's smoking a loud pad? They gotta search us. No, don't get me saying that. I said it's too late, nigga. Yes. Oh, let me open my bag. I open my bag. I'm so excited. Ain't nothing in my bag, but it's some money. I'm ready. You ain't gonna lift it off. My toothbrush, my braces. There's no loose now. Thank you.
Y'all already seen Lorvae. Turn up.
Yeah!
And y'all don't know before this and everybody else know what it is. So we can roll the clip.
Oh! Come on, Clip.
Right, B-roll.
CEO-D.
CEO-D.
We going, y'all. We going. Big D, not the little one. We ready?
Is y'all really? Is y'all really ready?
Yes. My arm hurt.
On both TVs. Yeah, there we go. Are y'all ready? Y'all see it here first. Remember that.
Stop playing with him. I'm shaking like a stripper. My hand hurt.
It's the music.
Run it back, Turbo.
Run it back.
Roll it back.
What?
Okay, everybody do it right.
Thank you.
I want to see what this is. My girl about to drop something. The big D, not the little one.
Yeah, I'm tired.
You hot?
I'm tired.
I peep in games. My girl got her some sunglasses.
Well, there you have it, guys. Lorvae is revealed. So I want to say all of y'all, thank you. Y'all don't understand. This has been a long process. I know y'all watch my videos and I talk like your girl been working. This is what I've been working on. It's been about 2 years in the progress. And it's finally here and I'm so excited to show y'all. Like, this is my sunglass line. Y'all know we going up. And this is the first lunch, April 17th, my birthday. So Lorvae.com, Lorvae. Make sure y'all cop. And for the raffle, I'm gonna announce the winners. So each winner is gonna win a PR box with all 4 shades in it. 2 of the winners are gonna win a PR box, which I'm gonna show y'all that too, with every single glass in it. And one of the winners is gonna win a chance to come to my event, my lunch party in Atlanta. So that's gonna be the 16th, the day before my birthday. So it's lit, y'all.
I'll sing happy birthday on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kiara. Happy birthday to you. Oh, that's mine. I'm sorry. They got it up close. Oh, the line done moved, child.
Well, if y'all can see, can y'all like go ahead and tell me which one y'all favorite pair? So take a wild guess of what this pair is called.
Which one? OG.
Wild guess. If you watched it, you would know.
It's
I say it
OG.
all the time.
OG.
No? It start with a D. Somebody gotta know. Huh? It's all in the... I love you guys.
Still going. Oh yeah, some stuff left. It's a lot of stuff left, I promise. But yes.
You satisfied?
Very. But and oh, I pray for them poor souls that's way back there. But I'm happy as fuck. I'm ready to go. I am home and I've been trying to like empty out. I had so many bags, like so many bags. So my bags, I emptied those out. And then like my suitcase, I just opened it and took out my purses so my purses don't be smashed up. And I put them back in my case and got my charger and stuff like that out the suitcase. But like my suitcase is still on the living room floor and I don't care. But I'll show you guys what I got from De'Ara's pop-up shop, and then that's gonna be the end of the vlog. Let me turn this around. I need y'all to know my address. Okay, hold on. So I got this heavy behind jacket. I'm gonna take this out in a second. I got this skirt. This skirt and then this. Hold on. I got this jacket from the pop-up shop. It's giving Cruella de Vil, baby. It's giving Cruella de Vil. I can't turn to the front because I ain't got nothing on underneath it. But yes, I got this from the pop-up shop. It is heavy as hell. And it would have been perfect in Georgia because it was freezing. But I got it now. Yeah. It's really giving Cruella. So heavy. It is April 17th, and I am finally editing this video because Lorvae drops today at 12 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. And I realized I never put an outro on this video. I do apologize. It is 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just now seeing this footage. So excuse the raspy voice, but I wanted to conclude the vlog by saying I had a good old time. De'Ara was very nice. Mama D, which is her mom, I call her Mama D because De'Ara, but she was very sweet and she's so pretty in person. Like, whoa, this lady is so gorgeous. I could tell De'Ara's gonna age very, very, very well. I just had a blast, y'all. Y'all know I had an all-around good time in Georgia. So I just want y'all to know, because I fuck with my girl De'Ara. Her line drops today, Lorvae. If you girls are into the shades, go ahead and copy one of the four or all four. Hell, buy your girlfriend one. You know what I'm saying? Lorvae is officially out. My girl is making boss big boss moves, not the little D. You know what I'm saying? Only big boss moves only. So I just wanted to tell you guys that is a wrap on this vlog. And I will have my other Georgia vlogs coming out. Just give me some time, y'all. Give me some time. But until next time, Jewels and Gems. Peace. Look, oh my God, my voice is too early for me to talk. Peace.